How to see send friend request on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Well, you need to start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you're in this page, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. And then move into friends right over here. It'll show you all the list of the people that has sent you the friend request. But if you want to see the friend request that you have sent, then what you want to do is, you need to tap on See All Friend Request. And once you're in here, tap on this three dot icon at the top right. Click on View Sent Friend Request. And there you go, these are all of the friend requests that you have sent on Facebook. If you want to cancel any one of them, then tap on Cancel Request. And after that, you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.